Hello everybody, how y'all doing? I just wanted to show what I meant when I mentioned earlier in a post about using tape on the spine of a razor that's in decent shape to get the bevel set, as it were. As you can see, there's wear on the tape through here, flats worn in, and as long as there's not like a dramatic warp or something similar, take that tape off real quick, you're going to be alright. Using tape, sometimes you need to leave it off to equalize wear on the spine and that sort of thing. I know some people will disagree, and that's fine. This razor already has a bit of hone wear, but I did not want to add to it and make it worse. But now that I've gotten through the 600 chosera and I'm starting on the 1K, I wanted to show you something. This is a magic marker. Just mark along your bevel edge, and your bevel is from the edge of the edge to the spine, by the way. Just because it's hollow ground does not mean that the little section your stone hits is the bevel. That's just the apex and right behind it. Alright, probably way more than I needed. Let that dry. Let me set it down real quick. I'll also do a quick taping demonstration here in a second. I have a little smartphone here, and I have a little clip-on loop, 4x magnification. Let's see if I can do this on. Not sure I'm going to be able to pull this off. Okay, can you see that? That's what it looks like. You see that? That's the magic marker along the edge. Another spot. It's showing up on the screen, so I'm going to assume that it's going to show up later. Alright. Take this. I'll turn that down. Set it on here firmly but not heavily. Rinse that off. Now you don't want to. Let me dry the spine off real quick. Kind of do a little pinch and just pat it dry. I like to hold it in front of the fan, but I don't want to hold y'all in front of this camera all night long. Alright, that seems to have dried down a little bit. Turn my phone back on here. Line my little loop up here. Crank it up to 4 times. Now, do you see on camera there? There's the micro bevel. You see how there's no black out to the very edge at all there? Or here. Now you saw me pull the tape off, and that's, in my opinion, how little it can take to get through the thickness of worn tape out to the edge of the edge. You see that? Alright. this little loop up, turn my phone off, and I am going to hone this razor on this little shobudini, or shobu rather, using a little tomo to raise the slurry and a little key to tomo later. But I'm going to let you go now, and I hope that was helpful to somebody. And I'm going to do a little bit more 1K work to refine the scratch pattern just a little bit more, and we're going to call it good. See ya.